Papu, Kanna, listen here. How to remember the formula, how to recall the formula, how to memorize the formula. Derivation, I did it in the previous videos. This is for exam point of view only, just I am teaching. So with the explanation and with the learning through activity also, you should do it before memorizing this. Understand? So you refer the video. If possible, I'll try to give it in description box. So to recall and to memorize this, first you should know the basic formula. What is this shape at the base? Circle. So area of a circle. Area of a circle. Area of a circle is nothing but pi r squared square units. Pi r squared square units. Then circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. That is 2 pi r. Isn't it? So those are unable to remember this also. Already I taught you in the class. That is, area is always square units. Area is always square units. So pi r squared it is meant for area. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So if you remember pi r squared is for area, then automatically you will remember it for circumference. So pi r squared and circumference. Circumference is nothing but units. If you know these two, then very well you will be able to recall. And also rectangle formula also you should know. That is learning by doing activity. Understand? What is it? Area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth. First, if you know these two, then very well you will be able to say this formula. Understand? Volume. As I told you, volume is nothing but base area into height. Base area into height. Is it okay? What is base area? What is the shape at the base? Circle. So you know the area of a circle. It is nothing but pi r squared. Then height is h. So pi r squared h cubic units. What is it? Cubic units. Base area into height. I told you always, volume means while you are pouring or you are putting something, first it will go at the base. It lie down. It will cover the full base. It will cover the full base. So base area, and also while you are putting, then it will reach up to the height what it is given in the figure, isn't it? Cylinder is nothing but the three-dimensional figure. So three-dimensional means always there will be a thickness or height. So pi r squared h. Then curved surface area. Curved surface area is nothing but this rotation, circling the shape, isn't it? So circumference. Understand? Circumference. Base circumference into height. That is, base circumference means formula to find out the base circumference. That is the whole shape, because it is based on the shape what it is given in the base. You see, wherever you bisect this, then you will get a circle, isn't it? So base circumference into height. What is the base circumference? Circle. When you cut this, You have to get the same shape. You have to get the same shape. Are you getting or not? Yes. So 2 pi r, circumference of the circle is nothing but 2 pi r. Height is h. So 2 pi r h. Square units. Next one is total surface area. Total surface area is nothing but curved surface area plus top area plus bottom area. So 2 pi r h plus top is what shape? What is the shape? Circle. Here also circle. So how many circles are there? 2 circles are there. How many circles are there? 2 circles. Area of a circle is nothing but pi r square. So here 1 pi r square, here 1 pi r square. That means 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Actually, this step is not necessary because we know that total surface area is nothing but the curved surface area plus top and bottom. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. This is the formula. So here what is common? 2 pi r is common. What is left out? H. Since it is r squared, 1 r you have taken it out. So 1 r is remaining. So 2 pi r into h plus r square units. Do you follow? So this is nothing but base area into height, pi r squared into h. This is nothing but the base circumference into height, 2 pi r into h. If you know this, then very well you can write. That is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r squared. If you don't know to take it out common also, no problem. With the help of this, you will be able to do the problem. Understand? For calculation purpose, it is very easy. Understand? Suppose if they are giving curved surface area and they are asking you to find out total surface area, otherwise when the radius is given or height is given, depends on the problem you try to write the formula. Understand? Either this way or this way. Understand? Sometimes you will write like this also. 2 pi r h plus pi r squared plus pi r squared. This I told you. Rectangular. When you have a rectangular sheet, when you make this breadth to join together, then this breadth will become the height. This breadth will be converted into height. This length will become the base circumference. This length forms a circle. This both lengths forms a circle. This both breadth joins together and forms a height. So length into breadth. Area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. Length is nothing but 2 pi r here. Breadth is nothing but height. So 2 pi r h. Curved surface area is nothing but 2 pi r h. No need to memorize. If you visualize, if you understand the concept, how it comes, then very well you will be able to memorize it or you can recall it. Understand? So please try to have a look and visualize the shape and you imagine the shape and you should know this basic concept. With the help of this very well you will be able to write the formula during the exam times. Do you follow?